Students, in Java, we have two kinds of output statements. The first one is system.out.println and the second one is system.out.print. We have two kinds of output statements. The first one is system.out.println and the second one is system.out.print. Okay, here I have written a program and the class name is output statement. Okay, and inside this class I have written public static void main. Okay, afterwards inside this main method we have to enclose the executable statements, right? So here I have used only output statements, okay, in order to find out the difference between the println and print statements. So here system.out.println and inside the parenthesis and inside the double quotations whatever we have written, the same thing will be the same sentence will be displayed as it is on the output screen. Okay, here we have used println. So what happens is, Java is an object oriented programming language. This will be displayed on the screen, and because of this ln the control comes to the next line. Okay, and here the next statement is system.out.print. Okay, this is not ln, remember this is print. Okay, and inside what it is there, Java was developed by James Gosling. So in the second line, the control, where the control is there, in the second line. So in the second line, Java was developed by James Gosling will be printed on the screen, and then the control will stay in the same line. Why? Because of the use of the print statement. Okay, so the control will stay in the same line. Then it will execute the third statement. What is the third statement? System.out.println. Here we have used println. So inside this println, what is the sentence? Initial name of Java is oak. So the control after printing this, it will stay in the same line, right? So the control now displays this message on the screen. Initial name of Java is oak. Okay, and after printing this, will the control stays in the same line or comes to the next line? Yes, it will come to the next line. Why? Means here we have used ln. Remember, whenever println is there, the control will print the statement and then comes to the next line. If it is print, the control will print the statement, will display the statement, and then it will stay in the same line. Okay, here the control comes to the next line. After printing this, the control comes to the next line. In the next, and then it will execute this statement, system.out.println, system.out.println. So here inside this, inside the parenthesis, we have a sentence written. Java gained its popularity because of its platform independence. So this will be printed as it is, and then the control will come to the next line or same line. It will come to the next line because of ln. Okay, and then in the next and then it will print the next statement, system.out.print Java is case sensitive. Okay, then in the next line this statement will be printed in the next line. Okay, and then the control will stay in the same line or next line, will stay in the same line because of the use of this here print. Okay, will stay in the same line, and then the next statement will be executed. What is the next statement? System.out.print. Inside this we have a sentence written which means both uppercase letters and lowercase letters are different in Java. Okay, so this statement will be printed in this same line. It will be printed, and then the control will stay in the same line. It will not come to the next line. So the difference is println will print the sentence which is written in the double quotes, and then the control will come to the new line. Whereas print Print means it will print the sentence which is written in double quotes, and then the control will stay in the same line. Now you have understood these six output statements we have used right here. So let us see the output. Okay, we will see whether the output will come as we have expected, or it might, or how it will come. Let us see. Now we will compile the program and find out whether any errors are present in the program. First, what we have to do, we have to press this compile button. See here, class compiled, no syntax errors. So the program is the program has no syntactical errors. Okay, understood. So now after compilation, what will happen? After compilation, the compiler, Java compiler, what it does, it will convert the source program into Java bytecode. Understand? Java bytecode. What is Java bytecode? Java bytecode is an intermediate code. Okay. So this intermediate code, when it is given to interpreter, it will execute the program, right? So now we will close this, and then here this is the name of the program. So we have to do right click here, and then void main string args, we have to click it here, and this window will open. We have to click on OK button, right? So immediately the output has to be displayed on the screen. See here, the output is displayed. Okay, let me show you one more time. I'll clear this and I'll do it one more time. Okay, I'll run it one more time. Void means string args. Okay. See here, we have got the output here. Okay, see the first statement is here. I have run twice, so the output is displayed 2 times. Java, the first line is Java is an object-oriented programming language. Since we have used ln by println, so after printing this statement, the control comes to the next line, and then it has printed the next. Java was developed by James Gosling. Understand? And then what we have used to print this statement, we have used system.out.print. So after printing this, the control will be staying in the same line. So the third output statement is we have used system.out.println, and then we have written initial name of Java is oak. So it is printing in the same line because the control will stay in the same line, right? So it will print the it will print initial name of Java is oak, and then it will come to the next line. Why it will come to the next line? To print this, we have used println statement. So because of that, the control comes to the next line. Then the following statement, whatever is there, the output statement, if it is println, if it will print and comes to the next line. If it is print, it will print and stays in the control will stay in the same line, like that. All the output statements will be printed. All the output statements will function accordingly. Okay, do you understand? Hope this is clear.